We'll guide you through how to make background white in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom on your PC to launch the application. Once Lightroom is open, import the photo you want to edit into the program. After the photo has been imported successfully, select the image from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, click the Masking tool to create a targeted adjustment for specific areas of the image. From the available masking options, select Background so Lightroom automatically detects and masks the background while leaving the main subject unaffected. After the background mask has been created, increase the exposure slider to brighten the selected background area. Adjust the exposure gradually until the background becomes much brighter while maintaining a natural transition around the subject. Next, increase the white slider to make the background appear cleaner and closer to a pure white color. Continue adjusting the slider until the background reaches the desired level of brightness. If needed, reduce the shadows slider to minimize darker areas that may still be visible in the background. After adjusting the shadows, fine-tune the highlight slider to improve the brightness of the lightest areas without affecting the overall balance of the image. If the automatic selection is not completely accurate, refine the mask by adding or removing areas until the background is selected correctly. Review the edges of the subject to ensure the mask blends smoothly and does not affect important details. Make sure the subject remains clear while the background appears evenly white. Save the editing changes to keep all adjustments applied to the photo.